My name is Melissa and I'm from Ireland. I am the centre manager of the camp for flyers and explorers. When I'm not working at English study camps, I work as a psychologist in a school. My favourite part of the job is in the afternoon when the kids are doing all of their different activities, hearing them laugh through the open windows or in the fields when they're playing their different sports and activities. The best memory from this summer has been the excitement of all of the students arriving, the fabulous atmosphere, the sound of the suitcases. It's very exciting to have so many different nationalities come together. I think it's the best place to work. The staff are incredible, there's lots of support and the resources are fantastic. My advice for anybody coming to work here would be make the most of it. Enjoy the time, meet all the kids, get to know the staff. It's a wonderful experience and you can benefit from it as well.